Hello and welcome to What's New in Ideate Sticky for the May 2020 release. This is Glynis Patterson with Ideate Software. Thanks for joining me today for this short update video. This video is designed for existing Ideate Sticky customers and covers recent features and benefits found within this May 2020 release. Before we cover the Ideate Sticky improvements, I want to thank all of those who help us improve. Our customers and beta testers are a vital part of our design and quality control process. This May 2020 release of Ideate Sticky impacts versions of Revit 2018 through 2021 as shown here, so remember to update your existing versions to access these improvements. An important modification that we've made in this release is to the status field within Ideate Sticky, which now includes BIM 360 disk and BIM 360 error statuses to reflect the various local state conditions shown through the desktop connector. You can learn more about this on our online help file. The ability to update multiple stickies at once has been often requested, and we're delighted to offer this in this release. To use this feature, use the Control and/or Shift keys to select multiple stickies. Then use the Update From button, which is now enabled for multi-selection. You can repath all of the selected stickies to a new folder or project location. You can update all the content from a different file or file location. You could change the regions for Excel files, or you can change the dots per inches, which applies to images. Batch updating is sure to save a lot of time in managing your stickies, and we're so thankful for all the great feedback we've had on that feature. We hope you enjoy. If you are a fan of the black and white feature shown here, you can thank those customers who made this nice feature request. Now, when this Excel page setup feature is checked, your stickies will print as expected without the use of color or grayscale. One of the most frequently requested features is for support of both Word and PDF file formats. So we're excited to be delivering on that in this version of Ideate Sticky. We know you have documents that are in those file formats that you'd love to link in, and now you can. Many customers have shared how much they love Sticky for tabular data, but have been wanting improved visual fidelity for longer pieces of text, charts, and/or complex images. Now, Ideate Sticky includes the option to link your Excel files into the Revit project as either a schedule element or as an image when greater fidelity is needed. So let's take this new version for a quick spin. The first thing you're going to want to do when you launch Sticky is pick the Word, PDF, Excel tab, and then as always, launch the Create button. In the sample folder, as we're showing here, you'll see that you can now filter on these additional file formats. If you were to filter on Word, for example, you'll see the 3 sample files here. And this first one is a 7-page document. You can preview the pages on the bottom, and you can specify the page range by a single page, a page range, or 2,5, as we're showing here. The number of pages will be reflected in the number of stickies. So here we have 2 new stickies that are positioned in the middle of the sheet there. They can independently have a different path type or have different values for auto update. In addition to the Word file format, we also are supporting PDFs. You'll see there's 3 sample PDF files, and in this example here, we'll bring in this detail and place it next to our other examples. The ability to link Word, PDF, and Excel files into your projects is sure to save you time and improve collaboration with your partners. Please give this a try and let us know what you think. We are only able to maintain our quality through your excellent communications with our team. If you have a moment, please do send us your requests. You can do this through the Help menu as shown here. Even if you need more information or a help file, we want to know, so be sure to drop us a line. There are 2 ways to access this new release. From within the Ideate Sticky application, you can find updates via the Help menu as shown. You can also download all of our software from the ideatesoftware.com download page. When you subscribe with Ideate Software, you have access to solutions that work with the current Revit version plus the 3 earlier versions. If you have any support-related questions or are in need of new or updated license files, be sure to email us at support@ideatesoftware.com. Check out our in-product and online help files for detailed information on how to make the most of Ideate Sticky. For more information on Ideate Sticky, including online training, recorded videos, and upcoming events, visit us online at ideatesoftware.com.